ये వచ్చింది వచ్చింది prove that prove that u is equal to prove that u is వినపడుతుందా? ఆర్ యు ఓకే యశ్వంత్?
ఓకే సార్, వినపడుతుంది.
there is no disturbance.
ఓకే, నో డిస్టర్బెన్స్ సార్.
u is equal to e power x into x cos y e power x into x cos y minus y sin y satisfies Laplace equation satisfies Laplace equation and find the corresponding analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv. f of z is equal to u plus iv. Disturbance is clear. Disturbance is clear అని చెప్పాలి. పోస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు నాకు చెప్పు. Can you please join the same link? రాసుకున్నారమ్మా? హలో, రాసుకుంటారా? రైట్. same link in this link. Okay, right. Given, write down answer, write down. Okay, write down. Given what is that? U. What is U? U is equal to e power x into U is equal to e power x into x cos y minus y sin y. Okay, na? So what is Laplace equation? What is Laplace equation? Anybody tell? What is Laplace equation? చెప్పండి, ఎవరు ఇది రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదండి? తేజ, ఎం తేజ, వాట్ ఈస్ లాప్లాస్ ఈక్వేషన్? సూరారాము, హర్షవర్ధన్, జానీ పాషా, వాట్ ఈస్ లాప్లాస్ ఈక్వేషన్? Okay, write down. The Laplace equation is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. This is the Laplace equation. Okay, now what is the Laplace equation? Dou square u by plus dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. From this, to calculate dou u by dou x, to calculate dou u by dou x, write down here. U is equal to what is u? E power x. ఇక్కడే ఉంది కదా, e power x x cos y minus y sin y. This I am doing the derivative with respect to x. This I am doing the derivative with respect to x. That is dou u by dou x. The derivative is partially. The derivative is partially. What is the meaning of partially? Tell me, anyone? Yashwant, partial derivative అంటే ఏంటి?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Anybody else? Okay. When you are doing the derivative with respect to x, treating y as a constant, ఇక్కడ x తో చేస్తుంటే జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. When you are doing the derivative with respect to x, అంటే ఇక్కడ x రాస్తున్నా. When you are doing the derivative with respect to x తో చేస్తున్నప్పుడు y we are treating as a constant. E power x. So this is I am applying UV formula. I am treating as constant. E power x is constant. The derivative of this is, the entire derivative is x derivative 1. So write here cos y. Okay, na? Plus next, this is I am treating as a constant. X cos y minus y sin y. This is e power x derivative. E power x derivative is e power x. Okay, na? So I am saying one more time. this e power x is treating as a constant. This entire function, all of you look at the cursor ను చూస్తూ ఉండండి, అందరూ కూడా కర్సర్ ను చూస్తూ ఉండాలి, ఓకేనా? కర్సర్ ను చూస్తూ ఉండండి, ఈ ఫంక్షన్ డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఫంక్షన్ డెరివేటివ్ x డెరివేటివ్ ఇస్ 1 cos y, ఓకేనా? x cos y minus y sin y, e power x derivative is e power x, e power x derivative is e power x. Next thing, okay, this is only derivative with respect to x only one time, okay now. ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ? ఏమన్నా is there any doubt? Tell me, ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా?
No, sir.
Dou u by dou x in both the places e power x is common, e power x is common, so totally e power x is common. So this is cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y, okay na? Again we do the derivative with respect to x. Why? This dou square u by dou x square is there, this is dou square u by dou x square is there, so this is only dou u by dou x, this is only dou u by dou x, okay na? Dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou x square. In this place first function is constant, this first function is constant. Second function I am doing the derivative with respect to x, this only thing is there, x cos y, the derivative of x is 1, and right here cos y plus next thing here cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y, and e power x derivative is e power x derivative is e power x, okay na? This is dou square u by dou x square, this is dou square u by dou x square. Dou square u by dou x square, so this is dou square u by dou x square. Total e power x is common, total e power x is common. Cos y and cos y, this is 2 cos y plus x cos y plus x cos y minus y sin y, okay? This is first, let us say suppose this is first equation, let us say suppose this is first equation, okay? Next one dou u by dou y, this I am doing the derivative with respect to y, this I am doing the derivative అయిపోయిందా? This I am doing the derivative with respect to y. Write down u is equal to, what is u? U is equal to e power x x cos y minus y sin y, okay na? First you do the derivative with respect to y, dou u by dou y. So e power x, treating e power x. This is x. Cos y derivative is minus sin y, minus of y. Sin y derivative is cos y plus sin y. Y derivative is 1. Should not write nothing. Okay. E power x. X cos y derivative is minus sin y minus y sin y derivative cos y plus sin y. Okay. This is dou u by dou y. This is dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is equal to dou u by dou y is equal to what? Do the simplification of this is e power x minus x sin y minus y cos y plus sin. This is dou u by dou y. Next we do this with respect to y. One more time. We do the derivative with respect to y. One more time. Okay na? రాసుకున్నారు ఇక్కడ వరకు? రాసుకున్నారా?
Yes, sir.
బోర్డు స్క్రోల్ చేస్తున్నాను. డో స్క్వేర్ యూ బై డో స్క్వేర్ యూ బై డో వై స్క్వేర్. ఓకే, e power x with respect to y minus x sin y derivative cos y. తెలుసుగా మీకు అని sin x derivative cos x, cos x derivative minus sin x minus y cos y అంటే minus sin y, cos derivative minus sin theta plus cos y derivative 1 plus sin y derivative is cos y. Okay, minus x sin y derivative cos y, y cos y derivative minus sin y plus cos y derivative of y plus sin y derivative cos y. Okay na? Dou square u by dou y square is equal to e power x minus x cos y minus into minus plus y sin y minus into plus minus cos y minus into plus minus cos y. This is plus cos y. So minus cos y plus cos y is cancel. Okay na? రాసుకున్నారా? రహీం రాసుకున్నారా? రహీం
Yes.
e power x minus x cos y plus y sin dou square u by dou y square. This I am supposing second equation. Okay na? This I am supposing second equation. So adding first and second equation. adding first and second equations. Dou square u by dou x square okay na? When you are adding these two, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square, we will get the 0. Okay na? 0. And next thing is find the corresponding analytic function. Find the corresponding analytic function. What is analytic function? F of z is analytic function. F of z is analytic function. F of z is analytic function. F of z is equal to u plus f of z is equal to u plus I. F dash z, okay now, that is equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. In this place, there is no v function, only u function is given. In this place, there is no v function, only u function is there. The relation between u and v, what is the relation between u and v? Second CR equation. What is the second CR equation? Dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. I require dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x is equal to what? Minus dou u by dou y. This I am substituting in this place. Okay na? Ikkada substitute cheyanడి. Okay? Dou v by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou y. Okay na? F dash z is equal to dou u by dou x. This is, what is dou v by dou x? That is equal to dou u by dou y. Right here, dou u by dou y. Okay na? Write in the place of dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Okay na? What is dou u by dou x? Go starting వెళ్ళిపోండి. Dou u by dou y and next to dou u by dou x is there. Okay na? What is dou u by dou x? This is e power x into x cos y minus y sin y plus cos y. Write down that. Okay na? F dash z is equal to dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is equal to e power x x cos y minus y sin y plus cos y. this is dou u by dou x minus I into dou u by dou y. What is dou u by dou y? Go to there. Dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is nothing but this is dou u by dou y. E power x minus x sin y minus x sin y minus y cos y minus y cos y. This is minus into plus minus. Okay na? Minus sin y minus sin y. Okay na? This is minus sin. Right here. E power x into e power x into e power x into minus x sin y minus x sin y minus y cos y minus sin y. Okay na? Okay na? So రాసుకున్నారా హర్షవర్ధిని and తేజ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This entire is function is a big function. చూడండి చాలా పెద్దగా ఉన్నదా లేదా? ఇది చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది. ఈ ఎంటైర్ ఫంక్షన్ మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయలేం. We can't do the integration. So that's why by Milan-Thomson method. Milan-Thomson method. By Milan-Thomson method, put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. Put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. Okay na? x no దగ్గర z, y is equal to 0 రాసుకోవాలి. ఎప్పుడు అప్లై చేయాలి? When you are applying this method, the integration is very very hard, very very lengthy process. The integration is very very lengthy process. That time we are applying. Put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. Okay na? Right. So I am extended one 10 minutes.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో క్లాస్ ఉంది సార్.
ఓకే అయిపోయి ఎండింగ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే ఎండింగ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. డోంట్ వరీ. x is equal to z and y is equal to z and y is equal to 0. Okay na? So this is f dash z. So put f dash z is equal to when x is equal to z, you write here e power z into z into cos 0. That cos 0 value is, what is the cos 0 value? 1. Finish. And y is equal to 0. This is 0. Okay na? And a cos 0 value, this is 1. Okay na? Plus 1 minus I into, when x is equal to z, e power z. Okay na? Sin 0 0. Okay na? Sin 0 0. Y is equal to 0. Sin 0 0. So totally this is 0. Okay. You do the integration. Just you do the integration. Integral of f of z, that is equal to integral of e power z into z plus 1 into dz. Okay na? Are you okay? This is equal to z e power z dz plus integral of e power z dz. Okay na? You do the integration of this e power z into z plus e power z. Okay na? Z into e power z is equal to the integration of this is e power z z Dave. Wait. అయిపోయింది. Z into integration of z integration derivative of z 1 next to integration of z plus this integration, these two are cancelled plus c, so z e power z plus c, so this is f of z. Finish. Okay na? F of z is equal to z e power z plus. Okay, right. నేను అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. Three not eight. 8, 17, 5, 14, 5, 14, 16, 10, 6. Okay na? So totally 7 members are present. Okay na? ఓకే, జాయిన్ అయిపోండి. అయిపోయింది. రాసుకున్న వాళ్ళు లివ్ అయిపోవచ్చు. రాసుకున్న వాళ్ళు లివ్ అయిపోండి. అర్థమైందమ్మా? హలో,
ఓకే సార్.
రాసుకున్న వాళ్ళు లివ్ అయిపోండి. ఓకేనా?